Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we are on part 8 of our mini-series and we're looking at Python. And you can see from the main screen, I've viewed my extraction in the hex editor, which then allows me to run my Python script. Here I'm running a script that is available to you free of charge from our customer forum, which is going to check our XRY file for any known malware by using the inbuilt Windows Defender service. This is a great way to rebuff a claim by a suspect that their device was infected by malware. Within XRY we can run Python scripts, but we can also run them within XAMN. And all you need to do from the customer forum is copy the script, save it locally in your XRY Python scripts folder, and then they're going to be available to be run within XAMN Pro. The community in the forum is great, with MSAB staff sharing scripts as well as customers sharing scripts. This way we all benefit, and it's a great way of dealing with those unsupported apps and helping to automate the process going forward. Hopefully you can have a look at the customer forum, see if there's any scripts that you're going to be able to benefit from, and potentially upload some that you create to help fellow examiners in their investigations. We hope that you can see the power of using Python in XAMN Pro, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.